What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm back in our favorite store, Five Below, and I am seeing tons and tons of new things for back to school, including these planners. Where else can we get pretty planners for just $5? Look you guys, pretty sweet plans. It has a weekly agenda. I love this one. This is so me right now, very busy. We have this one that says busy, and it's just a journal. And then up here we have this one that's kind of chunky and cute. I really like it. And it comes with some sticky notes and a notepad. It says plan your tomorrow. And then we have this one here that's also a weekly organizer, and it says good times ahead. It looks so cute, you guys. Like, I really love the feel of this. Oh, look at these. I really want one of these super cute baby soft little cloud pens. And then they also have mermaids. And look at this little guy. So cute. And then we have some journals down here that are brand new in blue and in black. And then we have this really pretty, like, kind of golden one. And we also have one back here in sort of a pink. Look at that. Oh my gosh, you guys. Can you believe that these are only $5? We have a little Unipug here. Unipug. And we have Possum. And ooh, look at this. I really want to open this one up for you guys. This is a 12-month agenda. Yes, you guys, the majority of all of these that I'm showing up here are planners. You can use it as your student planner. And they are just so pretty. And the beautiful thing is they're undated. So if you don't get around to using it this year, you can use it next year, or you can use it whenever you want. But that is so pretty. And I really love their plush journals. They're just like so silky and soft. I am definitely going to get one of these cute little babies though. I might have to get 2 of them because you guys know I'm addicted to cute stuff. I really love cute stuff that's cute and kawaii. Oh my gosh, look over here, you guys. Even more journaling essentials, you guys. We have this beautiful one. Wow, look at that. Fabulous. We have Embrace the Day. We have Story of My Life. These are so pretty. Sun and Moon. These are really nice journals. Be not just a dreamer, but a visionary. This one that says notes, and it has a cute little zip up. Very cute and compact. We have some $3 pencil bags up here in mint, a really deep plum, and also a black. And then look, you guys, even more cuteness down here. A little Brilliant Ideas clipboard with notepad. I love the yellow and the pink. We have No Bad Days. Wow, I love those colors. And even more flip sequin journals. Now these ones come with the lock. I still love the sequins. I know they've been out for a minute, but I love them so much because they're so girly and pretty. We also have this one here. The silver and gray. And then we have the pretty silver and blue, and then some Mary Ann premium journals, and it's really soft. Ooh, look at that gray one. It's so nice. And then these are little marble journals in black, in light gray, and in light blue. Can you guys believe all of these new items? Wow. Okay, now I saw this on Five Below's Instagram. These are some brand new clothing items that they have. They have the little dress with the distressed hemline. Here are the little denim dresses. There's the hemline. And then they have the basic striped long sleeve shirts that you guys see right there. And they also have this color, this pumpkin color. And then let's go around because I think they have some jeans too. Yeah, they have some jeans in here. And the waist is elastic, and they are full-length skinny jeans. They're kind of distressed right here at the knee. Wow, you guys, only $5. I am seeing so many new things in here. Even for the guys, they have new things. He looks super cozy in his sweats. They have the sweatshirts, and the material feels kind of knitted. And this is the hemline. And then they also have it in the navy. And let's go around the other side because I know they have matching sweats. Oh, here they are. Here's some of the sweats. Let's open up a pair. So it has an elastic waist, a drawstring, pockets, and it's tapered. So the cuffs and the taper at the bottom matches. Wow. They added other new things for back to school. They added $5 headphones. They're all like jeweled and faceted. They even added some new wireless chargers for $5. And over here they've added some back to school supplies by the brand 5 Star. We have some pencil pouches for $5, a college ruled notebook for $3, some $2 folders. I really like the prints, and some more down here for just $3. So I'm over here in the dorm area and everything is between $3 and $5, and they have added some new pillows for your dorm room, and they're really like silky and soft and squishy. We have Tokyo, Japan, and New York, Soho, and they've added 3 shades of blankets, little throw blankets for $5. And the super cute stools that we've been seeing here for the last 2 years, they're back. So far the colors are just gray and pink. But they also have garbage cans for $4. They also have the little $5 hexagon tables. And I think they might have added a couple new collapsible storage cubes in this sort of rose color, and also in this sort of like bluish gray color. And then look, you guys, we have even more pillows. So we also have Paris, France, and California, LA. And then they have some really nice cloth kind of woven little storage bins. The large ones are $5. I really like the large ones. And the small ones are $4. And they also added these really cuddly super luxe Sherpa blankets for $5 each in the charcoal, the cream, and the rose. It's kind of like a peachy rose. I'll compare it, you guys, to this. So it's the same color as the storage shelf, but it's not quite a pink. They also have some really nice quality organizational bins over here on the smaller side to organize your school supplies and maybe your bathroom items if you're heading to the dorm. They have some really, really cute ones. I really love the woven look, and I feel like they're just made really well. And then they have some denim rugs here. I actually got one of these about a month ago, and it's holding up really well. I put it in front of my washer and dryer, and it is huge, you guys. This is a huge, huge rug for $5. And if you guys need a really cute backpack or lunch bag, they have a lot here, and they're all just $5. One of my favorites, I have to say, is the super cute little narwhal lunch bag, but I also really like the panda, and they have a kitty over here that is so, so cute. Yeah, you guys, they have a lot of cute backpacks here. Some of them are basic, some of them are more like shiny and extra. There's a really pretty one I see missing right here, probably because it's so pretty, but it's like a greenish purple, and it has just a really pretty metallic shift. Let's look over here and see if they have it here, but you know, I think it's probably sold out, you guys. It's super cute. Ooh, and you guys, look, they even added another see-through backpack. This one in like unicorn skin is see-through. This one I am so in love with. I might go ahead and get it today because I really want to try out one of their backpacks, and I think it is just so, so pretty. Are you guys ready to get a peek at the back to school aisle? Because guess what, you guys, they just loaded it up. They have a lot. Let's just go ahead and start down here. We have some Pilot pens. These are erasable pens for $5. You guys know that Pilot can be a little bit pricey. We also have some Papermate pens. You get 26 for $3. Mr. Sketch. Aw, everybody loves Mr. Sketch. 10 scented markers for $5. Now, as you guys are noticing, some of these bins are already empty. So if you go into Five Below and you actually see what you want to get that day, it would probably be best to get it that day and not wait. Because you guys know how it is. You have that school list and you have to get what's on the list. These are some G2 pens for $3. These Sharpies are $3 and you get a bonus pen. $3 for these Papermate profiles. $2 for this pencil and eraser set. They also have grippers and a sharpener. These Bic pens are just $1.25. This pack of blue pens by Bic is also $1.25, and you get 12 pens. I found more pens by Bic, you guys. These are the Extra Comfort. They're $2. We also have this pack here that's Extra Life for $2. And then for $1.50, we have some Dixon No. 2 pencils, dollar crayons. These are by Crayola, and lots of composition books by Mead. These are all wide ruled and 100 sheets. We also have the $1 Mead notebooks. in lots of colors, mostly primary colors, but we also have some other notebooks here that have that sort of plastic cover in neon orange, pink, green, and blue. Hollow lovers, this one's for you at $1. Look at this super cute composition book. This is, I want to say $1, but I see the $2 price tag. I'm going to guess and say it's just $1 though. We also have some notebooks down here. You guys, there is so much to look at. Let me know what you want to see next time I come into Five Below. Girl, you are pure magic. We have super pretty colors of composition books. I'm not going to assume these are $2 each because I feel like there's a lot of $1 items, but some of these are in the $2 slot. They're just really pretty composition books. We have super pretty folders for $1. Again, really going with the whole like swirl, like bath bomb look. Like so pretty, you guys, like water marble. And then lots of hollow folders. They even have the $3 matching binder down here. The binders are only $2 to $3, and these are the view binders. My favorite kind of binder. This is the type of binder I always had when I was a kid. It has the plastic in the front, and you can just go ahead and put pictures in there or whatever you want, and you can change it out. Like you can change it out every week or every month. You have options. Look, you guys, they have a really pretty baby blue. They have pink, they have green, they have purple. We have dark green, we have red. Wow. You guys, I'm gonna end right here with locker decor because I know you guys love locker decor so much. And they have some really pretty $1 items like these jeweled magnets. $1 in clear and in purple. They have the little $3 magnetic hollow storage cup. They have a little phone mount so you can do locker selfies. The super cute locker marquee with the lights for $5. The magnetic backing. Look, you guys, they have a really cute locker caddy that is so glittery and pretty. And they have these little mesh locker bins. I really love this color. And if you want something bigger, they have a really huge one for $5. That would definitely hold a lot. And it has a mirror on the front. They have the little LED light up mirrors. There's a little switch on the side. And of course, you guys, because nothing is more than $5 in here, they also have the $5 locker shelves. And these measure up to 12 inches, and they also have the locker rugs and other little cute magnetized things if you want to put a picture of your bestie in here and put it on your locker. This is like a really quality heavy piece. They have the cute little LED lights with magnet. They have the combo locks. The locks are only $3 here. Yeah, you guys, they have a lot in here for your lockers. And if you happen to have a little whiteboard in your locker, they also have the dry erase markers. Neons, these are $4. Nothing is more than $4 over here. This set is $3. And then they have the cute little locker boards. I'm not sure if these are $4 or $5. And they have the big magnetic dry erase calendars. Super cute. I'm pretty sure those are $5. Well, hey you guys, that's it for me here in Five Below. I know I crammed a lot into a short video, but you guys just let me know what you want to see next down in the comments because I will be back. So alright you guys, if you enjoyed today's shop with me, just let me know that you did by hitting the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below, and if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye!